Hello, and welcome to another episode of The Great Reset. This is episode number 67. My name is Robert Brill, and I am the CEO of BrillMedia.co. We are an advertising firm that helps companies achieve business results with the best paid media, data, and targeting available in the marketplace. We are here 5 days a week talking about marketing and advertising for senior marketing executives, entrepreneurs, and everyone who is looking to grow their company. And what we've been doing over the last few episodes, over the last couple of weeks, is talk about the tools and technologies that are driving our business forward around the programmatic and digital advertising ecosystem. Today, we continue that mini-series talking about contextual targeting. And contextual targeting is a way to reach people based on the context and content of a page or an app. This type of targeting is well within the programmatic advertising ecosystem and represents a different type of data infused targeting. In this series, we'll talk about what contextual targeting is, deployment use cases, the companies that make contextual targeting work, the components of brand safety that ties back to contextual targeting, and a deep dive into some of the tools that make contextual targeting work. And we'll add a component. We'll talk about what the future looks like and how it ties back to contextual targeting. And I'll stop here, and we have a complete contextual targeting guide on our website. If you don't want to wait for the videos, you can go to our website and read the whole report, about 3,000 to 5,000 words, in depth, talking about contextual targeting. In this video, we'll go right into what contextual targeting is. The technology is about web code that scans web pages and apps all over the web to ingest the words that appear on individual web pages and individual pages on apps to determine the meaning, the content, the context of that page. So for example, a page talking about cars would be classified for advertisers as a page about cars. And with more specificity, the page will be able to determine if there's a specific car brand or multiple brands being discussed. In another example, the technology is able to make a distinction between one word that means many different things. So take the word Mercury, for example. Though there is Mercury Auto Insurance, Mercury is also now a defunct car brand, and it's the name of the smallest and innermost planet on the solar system. So if I'm using words like planet, solar system, Jupiter, Earth, chances are I'm talking about Mercury, the planet. If I'm talking about the defunct car brand, I'm using terms in the past tense, and I'm using words that indicate that it is no longer in existence. So now we're talking about the past and a car brand that no longer exists. And finally, if I'm talking about insurance quotes and I'm talking about coverage, I'm referencing Mercury Auto Insurance. So one company that is in the business is DoubleVerify. The company, speaking about their technology on their website, uses, and I'm quoting, ontological tools that facilitate the semantic understanding of text. And ontological is really about understanding the fundamental nature of something. The company DoubleVerify uses linguists and software development specialists to identify over 200,000 language-independent concepts, using more than 5 million rules to determine the correct meaning of the word. And so this really is a great example of how big data and machine learning is used. And then on the advertiser side, we have the ability to take advantage of such precision advertising targeting. The end result is that we get to serve ads to people not based on what they've done in the past or what their predicted behavior is, but contextual targeting allows us to serve ads to people based on where they're paying attention to right now. So if I'm on a site about cars and specifically about Fords and I'm reading about it or watching a video, nothing else is happening in my world. I'm paying attention to that video or reading that text. Now, a lot of other things will happen, but to have an ad alongside that user and that content in that moment results in powerful precision targeting, which further results in more sales and more leads. So that's it for today's episode of The Great Reset. We will see you next time.